Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have 3 selfie sticks to unbox, with one selfie stick being actually a very special one. I would like to thank the guys from Spivo Selfie Stick who sent me the Spivo 360, which is actually the interesting one. The rest I bought from Amazon because I'm going for a vacation and I need a Gopro mount and a regular mount for my iPhone. That's why I'm going to unbox these these 3 interesting selfie sticks. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and open the boxes here. And for Amazon Prime, it's the usual suspect. So I actually know how to do that. Let's go. Alright. I opened it like an animal, but it worked. Here are 2 selfie sticks. This is the waterproof one from Vicdozia. It says it's a pro selfie stick. It locks, unlocks. This one is Mpow. I actually had one. I broke it, but still I bought a second one because frankly it was too good. The Bluetooth worked. I have actually experience with this one, so I ordered the very same thing even though it broke. But I think I broke it because it was my fault. So you know, you gotta take the hit from time to time, and this guy had performed amazingly and I broke it, so that's why I bought the second one. This one is new, so I'm excited, but I think the focus will be on this selfie stick because it is very new and it is an interesting concept. I really like the box. The box has red interior. I hope you can see it. It actually looks pretty. Let me show it to the second camera too. It actually is pretty. Alright, I mean, because this one is actually easier to open, and honestly these guys were kind enough to send me their selfie stick, I'm gonna go ahead and give the first appearance privilege to Spivo Selfie Stick. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh, alright. So, I actually like it very much. Capture the feeling. Okay, let's read the material first because this material is actually of good quality. They paid attention to the box as well. Spivo Squad, a place for you to share your experiences and learn from other adventurers and travelers from across the globe. There are some warnings. It shows what's included. Do not mount any camera assembly or device above 450 grams, which is a pound, on the stick. Do not use your stick in dirty, muddy, murky, or cloudy water. Do not make unauthorized alterations to the product. Doing so may affect performance and will avoid the warranty. Do not leave your Spivo stick in the sun for long periods of time or use harsh cleaning products or chemicals. I mean, it is valid for many things. Do not use Spivo stick as a flotation device. Oh, okay, it doesn't float. But there is this for your wrist, so wrist wrap, I think. Yeah. It will not fall off quite easily. Okay, so the trick with this camera is actually the mount rotating. Let's go ahead and try it. It will actually be my first time. Okay, is there enough trigger space? Yeah. Okay, I don't know if this camera caught it, but okay, so you're shooting yourself like this and you say, you know what, I'm gonna shoot the other way, and instead of doing zzz, I changed the angle. Okay, capito. But I think when this rotates 180 degrees at every rotation. You just make sure that your camera is mounted properly, in my opinion. But anyways, we're gonna test this. Let's go ahead and check the other ones as well. This is Vicdozia Selfie Stick. I've been told, or at least on their website, it was saying that it is actually waterproof. Luckily, I'll have a chance to test that soon. So we'll see how waterproof all of these guys are. Oh, okay, it's good. There's a mounting clip coming out of it. And let's see how it goes. Okay, this is a secure rubber grip here, and this is a usual GoPro clip mount. Yeah. Let's see how it... No? Is there a... How do we extend this? Do we need to press something? Huh. Ah. Was that the maximum length? Yeah, I think I bought the smallest one. 19-inch mini stick. Yeah, this feels like 19-inch. Okay. I can see. I mean, my purchase decision about this one was mostly based on having a stick to hold the GoPro like this, you know, so that I can shoot with it without it being on my face, on my head like it is now. Apart from that, let's go ahead and unbox the Mpow. Mpow, you know, I told you already that I owned one, but it was too good. And I broke it. It was my fault that I bought another unit. Because, I mean, to be frank with you, I really like this one. It was an amazing product. Here we have the charging unit. I'm sorry I don't sound as excited because I know the product here. It works as such. You release it here. Up. You put your camera in there. That's what broke with me actually. So just be more gentle than I, okay? I've been using thick covers before my iPhone, and the thick cover actually ruined it because, you know, thick cover had a good grip. I pulled it and eventually it broke. And I remember the Bluetooth working very smoothly. So, you know, this is my favorite selfie stick so far. But it does not have a GoPro mount. I don't know if there's a way to actually change this. Doesn't look like it, but anyways, it's for dry land. It's for my iPhone. That's how I thought about it. All right, let me show all of them to you, one next to the other. Briefly. All right. When I extend this one, I think it's almost, no, it's actually shorter than Spivo stick. This one is longer. So I hope you can see everything here. And Mpow, Vicdozia, Spivo. I'll have dedicated reviews for all of them, but this is my unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching. Just subscribe to my channel so that you can actually see the review videos. Also, if you're interested in a purchase, please go ahead and use the links below. They are my Amazon affiliated links. So thank you very much. See you next time.